Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I'm Apurvi and on this channel I share eggless baking recipes. Today we will make eggless no churn plum ice cream sandwich. Let's begin. This recipe makes 4 ice cream sandwich. First in a bowl I'm going to pour 150 gram of chilled whipping cream and whip it to a medium peak stage. I'm using an electric stand mixer. You can use a handheld one. First, I'll start the machine on a low speed and whip the cream for 2 to 4 minutes so that our cream whips with a better texture without incorporating the larger air bubbles. Then I'll increase the speed to 8 or 9 and whip the cream to a soft peak stage. See here, cream is whipped perfectly. When I lift the whipping attachment, the cream tip is not holding its shape. Instead, the tip is bending slightly. Now in another bowl, here I have with me 75 gram of condensed milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it in. Now add in some whipped cream in the condensed milk. This will make it easier to mix everything together later. Finally, to give even plum flavor, I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Plum Comote. I have already shared its recipe on my channel. You can find the link in the description box. Mix it well. Mix the Plum Comote condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream and fold it in. For freezing the ice cream, I am using a 5-inch square pan and I am going to line it with parchment paper. I am using 2 of them for easier demolding. Pour half of the ice cream mixture in the pan. Then add dollops of plum compote and using a toothpick or a chopstick, swirl the compote to create a beautiful pattern. This will look good when you cut the ice cream for your sandwiches. Repeat the layer. Total plum compote used is 5 to 6 tablespoons. Freeze the ice cream overnight. Now let us make cookies for our ice cream sandwich. In a bowl, take 75 gram room temperature butter. Add 50 gram each castor and brown sugar. Mix until the sugar gets dissolved completely and the mixture is light and fluffy. Add half teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Now add all the dry ingredients starting with 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 25 gram cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix them until the flour is slightly coated with butter mixture. Add 15 gram milk and mix gently until just combined. Do not overmix or knead the dough. Combine until everything comes together to form a dough. Now roll out the dough between parchment paper. If you find it difficult due to hot weather to roll it out, keep in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, then try again. Roll it to approx 1/4 inch thickness. Then poke it with a fork. This will prevent our cookies from puffing while baking. Now using a round cookie cutter, I am using a 2.5 inch cookie cutter. Shape 8 cookies. We need 2 for each cookie sandwich. Transfer them to a pre-lined baking tray. Again, if your dough has softened, you can refrigerate it for another 5 to 10 minutes so that it's easier to place the cookie on a baking tray. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set. The baked cookies should be soft in the center but firm around the edges, as they will continue to cook for a few more minutes even when out of the oven. Let them cool slightly once baked. Then let them cool completely on a wire rack before assembling the ice cream sandwich. Our no churn ice cream have set completely. Now using the same cookie cutter or one slightly smaller than the one you use to cut your cookies, cut your ice cream. Place the scooped ice cream on one cookie and sandwich it with another. Keep them in freezer for about an hour or two before serving. You can also cling wrap them individually if it's too hot where you live, so as to give them support while they refreeze. Your eggless no churn plum ice cream sandwich is ready. It tastes absolutely delicious as ice cream sandwich does, with a twist of plum flavor in it. Do try these at home, you're sure to love them. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.